cause they think he's cool. He used to go to my high school. He got a Can-Am and a pistol grip. He got the right tires, he can make them stick. He's the king of the hot car track. He's an A-flame demon burning up the track. So don't you mess around. He's the fastest trigger in this here town. Look out, buddy, he'll shut you down. He gets the hot chicks cause they think he's cool. He used to go to my high school. He's the king of the slot car track. He's an A-flame demon burning up the track. So don't you mess around. He's the fastest trigger in this here town. Look out, buddy, he'll shut you down.
Let's have a look at the body mounting. As you can see here, there are a couple of clips made out of square tubing that are glued to the body. And those clips correspond to the piano wire that is attached to the chassis. And you have one in the front, up in the nose, and two on the sides of the body. You just slide it in or out of the nose first, and then clip the body onto the sides. Very simple and effective body mounting. Now let's look at the motor pod. It is made of piano wire and an SEC motor bracket, and it is hinged at the front, and it has hoops at the rear that slide into the chassis, allowing the pod to move freely to give the car some float. Helps a lot in traction and control.
He got a Can-Am and a pistol grip. He got the right tires, he can make them stick. He's the king of the hot car track. He's an A-flame demon burning up the track. So don't you mess around. He's the fastest trigger in this here town. Look out, buddy.